too. Got some goo gone, or goof off. Same thing. Stronger, I think. Anyway. I got supplies. Supplies. Surprise, I got supplies. We got some rags. Some non-scratch Scotch Brite scratchers. I'm gonna stop there. Should we read the directions or just apply a cloth, then blot or rub lightly. You may need to re-wax some surfaces, blah 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 blah. No, I guess we're gonna apply it on the. This hurts my knees. You got like a knee pad or something?
Wow, Mr. Pick. I don't believe we did.
Also, can you not breathe into the camera right there? Because it's going to make a horrible really. I prefer you go over here or something, you know?
Mr. Piggy. Man, I didn't know breathing annoys you that bad.
It really does.
Speaking of breathing, make sure you breathe in the fumes.
Okay. Come off. Can you go away? You know what? Forget that. Alright, so I was just kind of curious to see what it looked like underneath. So it does have a lot of clear coat damage, and then the paint itself is damaged because you see right here, which a lot of it's just from me messing with it. I got down to the the primer. So yeah, I think I might end up just sanding it and kind of start doing some prep work for paint later on. I'll probably stop this for now. We're also gonna go ahead and start getting these stickers off of here because it was kind of trashy. Alright guys, it's been a few weeks. Finally back here to play with this WRX again. So we're gonna pull the interior out, or at least the seats out of it, and start like cleaning the outside, or cleaning the inside of it. As you saw, we got some stickers taken off. Well, most of them. We still have a little bit right there to take off. Just trying to clean it up a little bit. I was playing with the paint over here a little bit, just trying to see what's underneath of it, but we're gonna just sand it down and repaint it. So I was just curious to see what was going on under there. So let's go ahead and start getting all this stuff taken out and cleaned. I'm also gonna go ahead and just rip out, I don't want the turbo timer or whatever, I guess that's his lights that he wired up. So I'm gonna pull all that out for now. Probably won't reuse any of that. I'll leave the boost gauge for now. Just kind of get it back how it should be, or how it was stock. So
It has heated seats, bro. Nice.
I don't like these Real nice. You like these floor mats? You like them? I like the red.
Dude, you're not gonna get rid of those cool red floor mats, are you?
Goof off?
Goof off?
Yeah, just goof off,
Dude,
man.
we need to be productive today.
Alright, got the seats out of the way. Let's go ahead and get all this random stuff cleaned out and go ahead and vacuum it and see if we can get this carpet cleaned up a little bit. I'll see if we can get the headliner cleaned as well. It's kind of gross, so. What is going on here? Alright, this stuff needs to go.
I don't know where I'm going with that.
Oh boy. Why can't people just leave things alone? I'm having a dilemma. Do I leave the carpet in the car or just rip it out?
What?
Alright, let's just rip the carpet out. You want a pair of safety glasses? Oh, why is this so disgusting? Absolutely not. Oh! Oh, cop shoulder shifter. That's my fault. Nice!
Can you make sure I'm not in the video?
You're gonna be. Change of plans here. I'm just gonna rip the whole carpet out of this thing because it's gross. I've got wiring to deal with, so if I had the carpet out, I can just deal with all this a lot easier, and I'm not gonna pressure wash the carpet. So I'll just shampoo everything else that I don't take out in the car. Oh, that's cool.
What?
It has an air fuel ratio sensor.
Think I could put it in the Tahoe so people would think I had something cool in there?
Oh, yeah, man.
Actually,
water out there. There's one on both sides too.
Come on. Hey. Can you just come off there, please? Thank you. Tell me about it. Who's coming to the scrapyard, dude? Hey, to me, you used to look a little awkward. Hey! I'm the vinegar man. That's why you smell like a salad. Alright, we're just gonna scoop this up, put it in the bag. You want auxiliary cable? More junk. What is this thing? Well, one time the Tahoe, the four-wheel drive quit working. But I was out playing with it, and I was driving in some red mud, and I got stuck in the mud. So believe it or not, you will not believe this when I tell you this.
No way.
I pulled the Tahoe out with the red Subaru.
You're not even kidding me.
No. Hey, one more auxiliary cables. Hey Jack, can I get your help pulling this carpet out? Alright, I'm thinking we'll fold it. Your side needs to get out because of the steering wheel. So I'm gonna fold this over. Okay. Do you have all the wiring free? Yeah. And I'm just gonna hand it to you. You can just grab it right there. Thank you.
Hey, these batteries are probably still good.
Alright guys, it started to rain, so that's all I got for you for this video. But I think we're going to go ahead and just replace the carpet on the car just because it was disgusting. I'm going to go get the headliner cleaned out, see if I can clean that out first. If I can't clean that, I'm going to replace the headliner too, but we'll see. But next, I'm working on focusing on getting the engine out. That way I can get all that cleaned up, and then I can do all the paint work. And do all that one time and then start reassembling the car. So, all right guys, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, subscribe so you don't miss any more videos in the future. Catch you next time.